ਦੀ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੁਝ ਹੱਸੀ ਦੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ we'll laugh with you and of course we'll make you laugh with us ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੀ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਇੰਡਸਟਰੀ ਹੈਗੀ is booming ਇੰਨੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟਾਰਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਔਰ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੁਝ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਵੈਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਈ ਕਮੇਡੀਅਨਸ ਵੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਚ ਕਈਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਔਰ ਕਈਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ Mr. Vidur Kapoor.
Hi.
Hello, Vidur. Welcome to our show today.
Thank you. It's so good to be here again.
Again, yes. Thank you. Well, just to let all our viewers know, Mr. Stand-up, Indian stand-up comedian.
Mr. Stand-up, right here.
Right
sitting
here.
down in front of you.
You're doing very well in the mainstream media. Of course, आप mainstream media में काफ़ी हो. Okay? आपका ज़्यादा exposure mainstream media में है.
ज़्यादा mainstream media में है. Let me take the hat off.
Okay. Be comfortable.
I've been on MTV networks quite a lot. So ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है कि MTV networks ने मेरे को ऐसा अच्छा platform दिया कि सारी mainstream community मेरी comedy देख सके. And as a result, a lot of South Asians have also seen my stand-up.
आपके shows.
Exactly.
और आपकी अपनी of course website है and you've been doing stand-up comedy shows Manhattan की clubs में आप बहुत करते हो and of course all around the US.
Yes, I'm a regular at Gotham Comedy Club in New York City.
Gotham Comedy Club. Been there, love
downtown. And I perform at all the other clubs as well, Caroline's and Stand Up New York, and then we have a lot of I just did an event at Asia Society, and so
you're very busy.
Doing the rounds,
your schedule is all over.
And then New York is only one part of it. It's international and all over the country as well.
Great. So we'll definitely.
It's a fun
career. I'm sure it is. It's a fun career. You're making people laugh, so that must be good.
It is. Yeah.
Now,
and it's always unpredictable.
Always unpredictable. कुछ नहीं पता होता कि कहाँ पे what is gonna happen.
कुछ नहीं मालूम.
और कैसे questions आएंगे, कैसा audience होगा.
नहीं.
You go out there.
अगला महीना क्या होने वाला है नहीं मालूम.
नहीं मालूम होता है.
कि कहाँ से पैसे आने वाले हैं ये भी नहीं मालूम. TV होगा, film होगा, show होगा. You have no idea.
You have no idea.
You have absolutely no idea. You have to just live in the moment.
Excellent. Well, that's a good attitude. Look at that.
Exactly.
Well, let me ask you, Vidur. आप US में born and raised हुए थे?
नहीं.
Really?
मैं इंडिया में पैदा हुआ था.
Okay.
I was born in Calcutta.
Okay.
So I have a little bit of Bengali in me.
Really? You don't look Bengali to me.
No, I'm not Bengali. I'm totally Punjabi, 100%.
Really?
Mother and father.
Okay.
Grandmother was a total Punjaban with a big juda and sort of big arms.
Okay, like a typical Punjaban. Okay.
Typical Punjaban.
How times have changed, I see. How times have changed.
And she is, she always wore sleeveless blouses with the big arms.
Thank you for that description, Vidur. Okay, so in India, where did we go from there?
So I was born in Calcutta, but then we moved to Delhi.
Okay.
And then I did my schooling at an all-boys Catholic school in New Delhi, run by Irish priests. Some people here may have heard of the school. It's called St. Columbus High School.
In Delhi?
It's an all-boys school, very strict. They used to beat us, they used to cane us, they used to slap us.
Oh my God. Yeah.
So, as a result, here is the product of all that.
This is in Delhi. Make sure you guys note of that. This is what happens. No.
This is what happens, exactly. Or this is what can happen.
This is what can happen.
If you let it.
If you let it. There you go. You're hearing it from Vidur. And from Delhi, you came here?
From Delhi, I went to England.
Okay.
So I did high school and college in England.
England, mein. Okay.
So I used to speak with a beautiful English accent.
What happened?
Then it got all corrupted because I had the Punjabi and the Indian behind there. So Hindi bolte the. I used to watch all the Hindi movies. When I was a teen, I used to watch every single Hindi movie that came out.
Really?
Right, every single one. Like in the 80s, I just watched everything possible.
Really? So Amitabh fan?
Big Amitabh fan.
Big Amitabh, me too.
Zeenat, Hema.
Love them. Okay. So you were born and raised in India?
Born and raised in
India.
India.
जब तक teenager थे, फिर London गए, फिर London से यहाँ.
London से यहाँ.
Is there a mutt for living from one places to the other being mixed up with all of this?
I mean, have no idea.
Prodigy right here.
Yeah, this is it. This is the mutt.
अगर आप एक country से दूसरी country में born and brought up raised होते, you get Vidur Kapoor out of it.
You get Vidur Kapoor, exactly.
आपको उसमें से Vidur Kapoor मिलेगा.
Someone who's completely mixed up. Okay. And who becomes a comedian to talk about all that mix up.
There you go. So you were born and brought up raised. And of course you've been here. आपको यहाँ पे काफी साल हो गए अब.
Yeah, it's been quite a while.
Quite a while.
तो it's been quite a while. I've been here since the 90s.
Okay. तो before I get into anything, आप हमेशा तो कॉमेडी करते नहीं थे. अगर आप कॉलेज गए हो लंदन में, कॉलेज में आपने क्या पढ़ा था? आप did you go to school for comedy या आपने कोई और प्रोफेशन किया था?
I did go to school for comedy. It's called the London School of Economics.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Really? Okay.
That's where I graduated from.
With an economics degree?
Yes, with a degree in economics and a minor in comedy. No, I'm just kidding.
No, seriously, did you go to school for comedy at all?
No, I just, I went to school for economics. So I was studying economics at the London School of Economics.
Okay.
My major was international trade and development.
Okay.
I was like good desi boy.
You are.
बहुत अच्छा लड़का था. I was like studying.
हाँ, you still are. आप अभी भी हो.
I think I've like, you know, मैं बिगड़ गया.
नहीं, you just shaken some people up, पर आप फिर भी ठीक हो. नहीं, but I'm just thinking कि economics आपने study किया है.
हाँ जी.
तो you were Mr. Corporate.
I was Mr. Nerd.
Really?
I was Mr. Nerd. I was like the good boy who was always in the library.
Really?
Always in the library. I was doing really well at school. I really wanted to make my parents proud. And my parents were like, okay, you're either going to Oxford, Cambridge or Harvard.
Really?
That was it.
So you came from like a
There were 3 options.
सिर्फ ये 3 options थे. उसके अलावा और कुछ नहीं.
But I went to the London School of Economics. I've always been a little bit of a rebel.
And then you dropped the bomb from economics to them on comedy.
No, then
इतना पैसा उन्होंने college पे खर्च किया है. And you ended up telling them comedy?
No, then I came to the US.
That's it. That did it. That's what it was.
To do a PhD in economics at the University of Chicago.
Really?
That didn't work out in the first year, so I started working in the corporate world. And I didn't have a green card. Green card nahi tha.
Are we allowed to say that out loud on TV? No, I'm kidding. I'm only kidding. They'll dig up your old records. Go ahead.
I know, please don't. I don't want to get deported at this stage of my career.
Okay. So you were going to school here for a PhD?
I was going to school here for a PhD, ended up working somehow. I needed to like, I realized the PhD is not for me.
Okay.
I was miserable. My parents were so happy. They were like, oh, PhD kar raha University Chicago mein. I was so miserable.
Really?
And so then I ended up